Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Bona Mop for the first time, showing you guys the first time I've ever used it, and also comparing it to the O'Cedar ProMist MAX. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm just showing you guys what the packaging looks like here. I think it looks really nice. So along with the mop, this also comes with a bottle of the hardwood floor cleaner and also the microfiber cleaning cloth. So here I'm going to be doing a little quick unboxing for you guys, and I just wanted to talk to you all about why I chose these two mops and why I'm switching. So basically I wanted a Swiffer type mop that had refillable cleaners and reusable pads. I didn't want like the Swiffer experience where you toss it every time and you have to buy new ones all the time. That is why I chose just to go with this. So I'm just showing you guys here that there's like a Velcro on each side, and that is how you attach it. It's super simple to put it all together. Now my ProMist MAX mop got dropped one too many times by my toddlers knocking it over, and it actually leaks now. Instead of buying a new one, I kept hearing about the Bona, and so I decided to go ahead and just try out the Bona mop. So then I figured if I didn't like the Bona mop as much as the O'Cedar ProMist MAX, I could always switch back later. As you can see, this mop is very simple to put together, so I'm kind of just giving you guys a little example of how it all snaps into place, and then I'm gonna give you my review of how I think it cleans. So there are instructions on the side of here. All you have to do is twist off the cap and then place it right in, and it's pretty self-explanatory. There is like an indentation right where the pole fits, and so it's pretty simple to put together. I had this little sticky spot where my daughter had stuck a sticker, and so I wanted to see how well the Bona matched up to this. So you just squeeze the handle and the spray does come out really well, but the very first thing I noticed was the one con I have with this mop. If you guys can see how it's sticking to the floor and I'm struggling to push it, I don't know if this would work better on a super high gloss floor, and I thought that it was just because the cloth was not like wet enough, but as I continued to mop, I continued to have this problem. It helped a little bit once the mop got a little bit more wet, but it just kept sticking to the floor the whole time. That's why you see me mopping kind of like in choppy fashion. I literally was having to push so hard, and so I'm thinking maybe this mop would be better for floors that are super high gloss. My hardwood floors are not. I'm thinking laminate floors a lot of times have a higher sheen or gloss to them, and maybe it would work better for that. So I did notice that right off the bat. So I don't know if this comes with a different type of cloth I can put on it, but I'm going to be looking into it because I do not like the cloth that this came with for my floors. It really had a hard time. Like again, as it got wet, it started to slide a little bit smoother, but it was still a lot more work, and it did not slide smoothly on the floors. Now I do like how hardy the spray comes out, if that's a word, and I do like the swivel action on this mop. It works really well. I'm going to show you guys a few more clips of me going underneath the table between things, and the swivel head on this is awesome, so that's definitely a pro. And I really think I do like the cleaner on this mop as well. Now I will say that I do still like my O'Cedar spin mop for my big cleans, and that's the same as I felt with my other one. I like these mops for little quick spills or daily cleanups, but when it comes to a deep clean or getting like something really hard out of the floor, I found that the O'Cedar spin mop works better. You guys will be able to see, it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but there was a little bit of stickiness left from that sticker. It didn't fully get it up, so I'll have to go back with my O'Cedar spin mop. And I did do a review on a previous channel that I used to have, and unfortunately I lost that video, but I had talked about how I like the O'Cedar ProMist MAX for the quick spills, and I like my spin mop for my deeper cleans. And comparing it to the Bona, I definitely would still say that that stands for me. So I'm definitely going to be looking to see if this mop comes with a different mop head, and I'll update you guys on a future video about how I like that once I kind of switch it out. But I did want to get this review up for you guys. I really do like the Bona cleaner that comes with it, and again, you can like change those out and put your own cleaner or refill it with their cleaner. So I do love that aspect of being able to reuse and not just wasting all of the cleaner. That was definitely important to me for these. And you guys will see here there's also sticky stuff under my table that it didn't fully get up, so I'm gonna have to bust out the spin mop for that one. Comparing the Bona mop and the O'Cedar ProMist MAX side by side, the Bona mop is just a little bit taller, and the ProMist MAX has this little grip on it, which doesn't really make a difference while I'm mopping, but it actually makes it easy for you to lean it up against something, which I guess as much as I've dropped this, that might not be that handy. So I'm just showing a size comparison here. Also just kind of showing you guys the difference in the canister here as well, but the biggest difference to me is how much longer the pad on the Bona mop is.
And I actually noticed that right away as soon as I was mopping. When you're looking at them side by side, it doesn't seem like a huge difference, but covering like an extra inch or two when you're mopping, I don't know, it just felt a lot bigger, and I did really like that about the Bona mop. I also think that the Bona mop just looks prettier overall. If you care about that kind of thing, just having it in your house is definitely more modern and aesthetically pleasing.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that it was helpful to you and that you learned something new and it made it easier for you to decide between these two mops. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if not already, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye!